Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. In this session, we will embark on a journey of self-discovery and relaxation, exploring the depths of our inner being through the power of mindfulness and breath. Meditation is a practice that offers countless benefits for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It allows us to cultivate a sense of inner peace, clarity of mind, and emotional resilience in the face of life's challenges. As we begin, find a comfortable and quiet space where you can fully immerse yourself in the present moment. Make sure you won't be disturbed and allow yourself to let go of any distractions or obligations for the next 10 minutes. Take a moment to adjust your posture, ensuring that your spine is comfortably upright and your body feels supported. You may choose to sit on a cushion or chair, or even lie down if that feels most comfortable for you. The key is to find a position that allows you to be relaxed yet alert, with your hands resting gently in your lap or by your sides. Now, gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing the rhythm of your breath to guide you into a state of deep relaxation. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly and completely, releasing any tension or stress with each breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort, and with each exhale, allow those areas to soften and relax. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of profound calmness and tranquility. Allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or worries that may be weighing on your mind, and simply be present in this moment, fully embracing the stillness and peace that surrounds you. Now, let's take a moment to check in with ourselves emotionally. Notice any feelings or emotions that may be present within you, whether they are positive or negative. Without judgment or attachment, simply acknowledge these emotions and allow them to exist within you, like passing clouds in the sky. Remember, meditation is not about trying to change or suppress our emotions, but rather about learning to observe them with compassion and understanding. Now, let's shift our focus to the breath, the anchor that keeps us rooted in the present moment. Notice the sensation of the breath as it flows in and out of your body, the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle expansion and contraction of your abdomen. With each inhale, imagine yourself drawing in fresh energy and vitality, filling every cell of your being with renewed life force. And with each exhale, imagine releasing any stagnant energy or negativity, allowing it to dissolve into the ether. As you continue to breathe mindfully, you may notice that your mind begins to wander, drifting into thoughts of the past or concerns about the future. This is perfectly normal and natural. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, gently guide your attention back to the present moment, back to the sensation of the breath as it moves through your body. In this moment, there is nowhere to go, nothing to do, no one to be. Simply be here, fully immersed in the richness of the present moment. Now, let's take a few moments to cultivate an attitude of gratitude and appreciation for the abundance that surrounds us. Bring to mind 3 things that you are grateful for in your life, big or small, significant or seemingly insignificant. Allow yourself to truly feel the gratitude welling up within you, filling your heart with warmth and joy. Gratitude has the power to transform our perception of reality, reminding us of the countless blessings that enrich our lives each and every day. As we approach the end of this meditation, take a moment to set an intention for the rest of your day or evening. What qualities or virtues would you like to embody as you move forward? Perhaps it's patience, kindness, or resilience. Whatever it may be, hold this intention close to your heart, allowing it to guide your thoughts, words, and actions in the hours ahead. And now, slowly begin to deepen your breath, gradually bringing awareness back to your body and the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your limbs, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, allowing the light to gently filter in. Take a moment to acknowledge yourself for showing up and dedicating this time to your well-being. Remember, the practice of meditation is a journey, and each moment is an opportunity to cultivate greater presence, peace, and harmony in your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and inner exploration. May you carry the tranquility and wisdom